Okay. Peanut butter and jelly. How to make one? Take 3. My lovely assistant Kai. Okay, can you read the instructions?
Yes. Essentially. Oh, wait. Recipe and instruction for creating the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Preparation time 5 minutes. Essential ingredients. Number 1, 2 slices of sandwich bread.
Okay.
Number 2, peanut butter. Number 3, jelly.
Peanut butter. Jelly. 2 slices of sandwich bread?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, can I have that?
Well, if we're done, we'll see how it is, if it's edible or not. Hang on.
That would be your first.
Okay. Okay, what else? Jelly. Okay, aha! Okay, what next?
Oh, additional tools and materials required.
Yeah.
A knife, plate, and napkin.
A knife.
I don't know what type of knife that is.
Napkin. Okay. Plate. Okay. Okay, here we go. What next?
Open peanut butter jar and the jelly jar.
Oh, we don't want that. That's the. That's a different one. A lot of peanut butter. Okay.
Dad, someday can we make something with wires like a mini Xbox?
We gotta learn how to make sandwiches first, bud. Okay. So open up the peanut butter.
Remove protective seal.
And did it say open up the jar of jam?
Yes.
It said jam, right? Or did it say?
It said jelly. We can get a Sharpie.
Okay. Probably not a big deal. Try big jelly. Some say jam, some say jelly. There's only like grape jellies.
Yeah,
But
but
this is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so it makes sense to have jelly.
yeah, but I
Okay.
don't like fruit jelly.
Let's hide it this way so no one sees it's actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Use
But
the
open it
knife.
up, right?
Pardon?
Say open it up.
Yes.
Any special instructions? Just.
Nope, just open it up.
Okay.
Use the knife and stick it in the peanut butter jar and get a generous portion of peanut butter.
Okay. Generous.
Spread the peanut butter on one slide on one side of the bread.
Okay. Well, one side. Did it say which side of the bread?
No.
Okay.
Or slide.
All right.
Continue step 2 and 3 until you get desired amount of peanut butter on the sandwich bread.
What was 2 again?
Use the knife and stick it in the peanut butter jar and get a generous portion of peanut butter.
So I just keep doing that until when?
Until it satisfies your needs. Oh, until you get the desired amount of peanut butter.
Is it my desire or is it whose desire? It's
Your
it's probably
desire.
mine. Yeah, okay. I desire some peanut butter on my bread. Okay, here we go.
Repeat steps 2 through 4, but this time with the jelly.
Oh, okay. So 2 was for the peanut butter and putting the knife in. Same
Yeah.
knife, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, and so the same. Did I put same? Did it say the same slice of bread, or did it say just a one
It
slice?
never
right?
said.
Never said.
Never said.
But it said to repeat the same step, right?
Yeah.
Both go the same side. That's probably what I meant.
Lord.
Not bad. Okay.
So get your desired amount of jelly. Oh, man.
That's my jelly.
Yeah, that's my
Probably
favorite jelly.
because it's jam, not jelly.
Whatever.
That'd be different
Okay.
otherwise.
Press 2 slices together so that the peanut butter and jelly meets. Aw, cute couple.
2 slices of what?
Bread. But it didn't really say, but it's assuming that.
Should I cut this one then? Does it say 2 sides or 2 slices of bread? What does it say?
2 slices.
2 slices. And it didn't say to cut another one, right? It probably means this other slice.
Yeah. Use the knife to cut the outer crust
That doesn't
from.
make sense though, because it's like, how are they gonna meet? I mean, it's already.
No, but they're like a cute couple, so they have to go together. The 2 slices of
I mean,
bread.
this is. I mean, the bread's gonna meet. It said the peanut butter and jelly is the thing to meet.
But
Probably
instructions.
okay, whatever.
Nailed it.
It's either. You think that's it? It's either that or. we gotta cut it.
Wait. You need to cut out the outer. I can't talk. The outer crust of the bread.
I mean, that's got all this.
When I start playing on Marshall,
Nutrition. But it
I mean,
tastes
that's like.
better
Okay,
without
okay, so maybe the steps are out of order. So I gotta cut the. I do not understand. Okay. I gotta get that.
first. I already did the second. And the third. Probably only the other way. It didn't let me go anywhere. Wait, are you on the second one? On the third one again. Because there's something.
Gosh.
Because it just makes
You said cut off the outer.
it doesn't
outer crust.
Crust?
Yeah.
all it takes is
How do people cut this thing off? And did it say anything about the inner crust? Like, do you have to use anything?
It just says cut the outer crust from all 4 edges. It's fine. You're being creative.
I don't understand the 4 edges. I just see 1 edge. Ouch. Yeah, I think I have to wear gloves next time.
Yeah. We've got dishwasher gloves in the sink.
I guess I'll cut myself. I'm not worried about that.
Did you cut yourself?
Yeah.
You know, I cut myself when I ran into your screwdriver box the other day. So I have a cut all over my heel.
I should use that to make peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I got the bread off the crust.
Okay, place sandwich on plate.
Well, what's the sandwich? I thought we were supposed to make a sandwich. Is this?
That's your sandwich. But why didn't you put the pieces of bread together?
Well, I thought it said to take the 2 slices and put the peanut butter and jelly together, but
I don't know, but you should
maybe it was
eat.
supposed to be like this.
Yeah.
And when I was cutting it, maybe that's what they meant to cut the. You make it 2 slices, and then cut the crust off of it.
I'm going to show you where it is. Well, you don't need to.
Okay.
Why?
Okay, eat the sandwich.
Hey, Lucas. You want some sandwich now? Maybe.
It's so gross.
Tastes okay. Okay.
Be sure to wipe your mouth. Be sure to wipe your mouth with the napkin.
Oh. We need a better napkin.
What are you talking about? That's a great.
I'll wipe my mouth with it?
Yeah.
What about my hands? Does it say anything about that?
Nope. Just wipe your mouth.
Okay. Alright, is that anything else?
Nothing else. Good job.
About 5 minutes.